Hi class, today we're working on activity 44, college links. And in this activity, you guys are going to learn how to hyperlink text to a website address within a document. So what does hyperlink mean? Hyperlink means that you can click on some words and it will take you to a website. So what we're going to do is we are going to hyperlink Harvard University to its website. Now there's a list on the back side of your handout, and it has 10 colleges or universities on it. It was the top 10 colleges or universities in 2011. You will need to type that entire list, and we're going to have an addition, which I will explain in a moment. But first of all, I want you to know how to hyperlink. So what we're going to do for the list that the handout gives you, you actually have the actual web addresses for those colleges and universities. So we're going to start with Harvard. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that hyperlink. I'm going to copy that web address, and I'm going to hyperlink the words Harvard University to that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to select Harvard University, and I'm going to right click and choose link. And when I click on link, I want it to be right here on link to an existing file or web page, and in this address bar right here, I'm going to paste that web address. And then when I click OK, now Harvard University is underlined and in blue, and when I roll my cursor over it, notice it says Control click to follow the link. So I'm going to press Control on my keyboard, and that automatically changes my cursor to a little pointy finger, and then I'm going to click on it. And what that does is it opened it on my other screen, but here we are. There is the website for Harvard. Okay, so now I'm going to just split screen this for you guys. And we're going to do the same thing for Princeton. So now I'm going to select my web address for Princeton. I'm going to right click and copy. Then I'm going to select Princeton, right click, link, and paste my address down here, right click, paste, and click OK. Now you can see this a little bit better. Press Control and click on it. Ta-da! Princeton's website. So for the rest of this activity, you're going to do that for the other 8 colleges on there. You will have 10 in total on your paper, but you will have to do the other 8 independently since I have shown you how to do the first 2. And you're also going to have to number them, which you guys did in your last activity. Whoops. Sorry, guys. And then you are going to come down here and you're going to create a list. This is in addition to what you have on your list right now. And your list is going to be my top 5 colleges or universities. And these are going to need to be maybe 5 colleges or universities or even schools that you're interested in attending. If you are not planning on going to college or some other kind of school, list 5 that you've heard of, okay? If you can't think of 5 off the top of your head, open up a Google browser and look for colleges or universities in Oklahoma and come up with a list of 5. You have to have that list of 5, so some way you're going to have to come up with a list. So what you're going to do, and as you all know, I graduated from Oklahoma State. Whoop. Go back and spell check me there. And now, okay, so I've got Oklahoma State University, so if you can't think of 5, there's 1. And I'm going to come up here, open up my Google browser, and I'm going to type in Oklahoma State University. And right here is their website. And this is their website. So I'm going to copy their web address. And right here, I'm going to paste that on my page. And then I'm going to hyperlink the phrase Oklahoma State University to their actual website. So now, just so that you know that I can do this, you click Control, press and hold Control, and then click on the web address. Why is this not working? There we go. Now it likes my clicking. Oklahoma State University opens up. Now, for the rest of your list, you do have to go find the actual website. I will be checking. I've had a number of folks in the past who thought that I didn't check and they just typed in some random junk and hyperlinked it and thought it was good. That is not good, so you will need to actually find the real web address and hyperlink the name of the university to their actual website, because I will be checking. So, like I said, you're going to do the first 10, which is in the activity, and then you're going to add your top 5 colleges or universities, so that's either 5 that you are interested in attending, or 5 that you have heard of. Then you're going to turn it into the Dropbox on Google Classroom. And that, y'all, is Activity 44.